service payments and all.
From this year, we have appointed very specifically one mechanic insurance executive so that to deal all the mechanic insurance related details.
So we divide our targets in line with company targets. Branch wise we divide the targets. Accordingly it will be further distributed to DSR wise.
In the starting of the month or quarter, all the area managers, they are having two area managers. One is at Guntur and one is Ongole. Under each area manager, there are different DSR, 4 members in Guntur and 3 members in Ongole. So at the start of the quarter and month, we will be giving a specific targets to those branch managers, which are in line with our company targets, and they will be drilled down to DSR. And every Saturday of every week, each DSR's performance will be reviewed, and if at all any support is required at that location or at that specific product group, it will be provided by the distributor. And for every quarter, there will be separate incentive scheme run to the DSR for each area. And there are 2 DSR marketing in both Ongole and Guntur put together. They will be running, their only agenda is to enroll different mechanics in the garages, either related to car or 40 segment.
So these are some of the activities we have done.
There are DSR marketing who will be doing garage works every month, and they will be enrolling the different two-wheeler or car garages. And then the Nukkad meeting will be every week. Each DSR has to conduct minimum 2 to 3 Nukkad meetings in their area at that location. These are some snapshots. And these are mechanic meetings. Each area manager has to conduct mechanic meetings, which will be accompanied by CP or sales officer in that particular area. These are some specific photos. And one is retailer meetings. So in that area, here we will be conducting very specific product specific retailer mechanic. It is 40 or car segment or only agri segment, 10 liter, 7.5. In that very specifically we will call them and we will update on our product group and then scheme for that retailers. And we will be conducting based on the requirement. If at all there is a retailer where we to promote our product, we will be conducting one-day wonders, and where we will be taking our DSRs and they will be running throughout the day some schemes so that to increase and penetrate our product and brand in the market. These are some activities which I have done in last years. These are snaps.
We run different schemes from time to time, free product schemes, white good schemes, gold coin schemes, double dhamaka, triple dhamaka kind of thing from time to time.
For last year we were running many schemes like we call some as double dhamaka or gold scheme, giving free gifts or for agri segment specifically during the period of June to August we are running a filter free scheme. And also product free scheme where for direct customers will be giving some product as a grease half kg as a free product so that they will be taking and coming back for our product. So and for last year we have enrolled mechanics insurance scheme also.
812 members have been enrolled.
So in 40 segment we have run some specific schemes like 3+1 4 offer, is called 4 offer or 40 dhamaka and gold coin schemes. They can also, when they achieve particular volume, will be running in Samsung TV schemes.
In agri and CVO, most of the cases we give filters as a free product. In some cases, ruby grease. Even we have tried flight to bank and Of course, we are not successful, but enrolled some of the mechanics.
In PCO segment also, that's what we were telling, diesel free was the scheme which eventually put very successful last year, and also we were offering a specific mechanic offer also to the retail mechanics. And Pragati scheme. I just wanted to tell, in the last Q4, what we have done is, at the starting of the January, we have calculated what is the currently what Pragati Points has got through SSN, and then we devise the target given to each retailer, so that how much he has to gain for the total financial year. And then we decided what is the target points we have given, and also for if he is doing in standard grades, advantage grades, and flagship grades, how much volume he has to do, and what is the volume he has to do, and we mapped it through sales DSR also, so that whenever DSR gets it for a particular retailer, he'll get all this data and he'll target that retailer, so that he'll get the maximum volume from the retailer.
Sir, in fact, here I want to add some points, sir. Our territory team has conducted several meetings about this Pragati scheme. First for the channel partners, after again DSR with the channel partner. So our PM and Shekhar SO have created a special app for us. They have been updated from time to time. One app is there. We have that app given to all the DSRs.